she was just coming from nowhere. I just put my hand down for her to see that she is safe and that she can come to me. The way she reacted, oh my God. Suddenly a car was coming, also I had to grab her and pick her up in the car. For me, it was so emotional. And then I just hold her in my arms. I talk with her nicely and kind. And she started to get kisses. We went straight home because I think it was the first time for her being inside. When Paola met my other dog, she just blossomed. Paola starting to give kisses immediately the next 2 days to the other dogs. Just like she was saying, "You are my friend, I love you." And then she never stopped. Paola right now is not afraid anymore. And when she's so happy, she's going to run. You cannot see her, just like the light. She is special, you know. She make connection with any dog. And she is the ambassador of Romanian dogs and how the love can change a trauma dog.